One of the biggest fears for homeowners today is the terrifying possibility of selling their house and having nowhere to go because they haven't found a new one. A bridge loan is a powerful short-term financing tool that allows you to buy your next dream home before you even put your current house on the market. This specific type of loan uses the equity you have already built in your current property to fund the down payment on your new home purchase. Having a bridge loan in place gives you the incredible advantage of making a non-contingent offer, which is far more attractive to sellers in a competitive market. You can take your time to move comfortably into your new place and then stage and sell your old house for the highest possible price later on. While these loans are temporary and usually carry slightly higher interest rates than a standard mortgage, the convenience and the peace of mind they provide are priceless. This strategy completely eliminates the stress of having to find a temporary rental or move twice during your home buying transition. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can look at your equity and see if a bridge loan is the perfect key to unlocking your next chapter.